me show you how simple it is to modify the content of your pages. Everything inside the builder is completely drag and drop, which means you can move and adjust the position of different elements simply by clicking and dragging them. As you drag an element, you'll notice a blue line appearing on the page. This line indicates exactly where the element will be placed once you drop it. As you can see, repositioning elements is smooth, fast, and very intuitive. You can also easily adjust spacing between elements. For example, between these two elements, you can modify the margins by simply dragging the spacing controls. The builder even shows the exact number of pixels while adjusting the spacing. The same applies to blocks. You can add more padding to the top or bottom of a block to create better spacing throughout your design. Proper spacing is very important for both readability and usability. Good breathing room helps make your pages look cleaner, more professional, and easier to navigate. Now, all page content is organized into blocks. Each block has its own settings, which you can customize individually. For example, you can change the background image, colors, spacing, styling, and many other settings for each block. Blocks can also be divided into columns. Columns help you organize and align your content more effectively. For example, this section uses multiple columns. Some contain content, while others are used simply for spacing and layout balance. If we switch to a 2-column layout, you'll see a column width slider appear. This allows you to adjust the width of each column individually and position your content exactly where you want it. Now, let's edit some content. If you double-click on a text element, the text editor will open, allowing you to edit the content directly. If you single-click on an element instead, you'll see its settings appear at the top. Each widget has its own unique settings. For example, text widgets include typography and formatting options. Buttons include alignment, styling, links, and actions. Images include size, borders, and replacement options. This makes it very easy to customize every part of your design. You can modify widgets either by single-clicking to access settings, double-clicking to edit the content directly. Now let's add a new element to the page. For example, let's say we want to add another image. Simply click on the plus icon. There you'll find all available widgets and elements you can add to your page. To add an image, simply click Add Image, then either select an image from the library or upload a new file. And just like that, the new image is added to your design. You can drag and drop any type of widget into your page. Text, headlines, buttons, icons, videos, forms, search bars, and much more. But of course, building sections completely from scratch can take time. That's why you also have the Add Block feature. Between every section, you'll see an Add Block button. When you click it, you'll find a large collection of professionally designed, pre-built sections that you can instantly add to your page. For example, let's say you want to add a services section below your hero section. You can simply browse the available designs, select one you like, and instantly add it to your page. And just like that, you've added an entire professionally designed section in only a few seconds, without having to build it manually. These sections already include layouts, images, headings, text, buttons, and styling. If you don't want certain elements, such as buttons, you can simply delete them individually. You can also resize images, replace them with your own content, and fully customize the section however you like. Another great feature is animations. By clicking the animation icon, you can apply animations to elements such as fade-ins, slides, and other motion effects. For example, you can make an element slide in from the right, or animate smoothly when the page loads. These small animations help make your pages feel more modern and interactive. Now let's say you want to add a video section instead. Again, simply click Add Block and select a video section design. Once added, you can edit the text, paste your video URL, and instantly create a professional video section for your website. As you can see, everything is designed to look clean and modern right out of the box. And the best part is that everything is automatically responsive. If you click on the mobile view icon, you'll see that the design automatically adapts to mobile devices without requiring additional work. Everything scales properly and fits beautifully on smaller screens. Of course, if you want, you can also make custom mobile adjustments. but we'll cover that in another tutorial. So overall, this is how easy it is to modify your content using the drag and drop builder. You can move elements using drag and drop. Use the blue placement indicator for positioning, add widgets from the plus icon insert, full pre-built sections, using add block, customize spacing, columns, images, text, buttons, and animations. Build fully responsive pages without coding. And that's it. This is how easy it is to build and customize your pages, websites, and funnels using the builder. Try it out yourself and see how fast and enjoyable it is to create beautiful websites.